Assalamu alaikum. I hope yesterday's assignment is already done, and back to the page number 10 we have to do these word problems. Since this unit is basic arithmetic problems, so it involves only multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. Only 7 of the problems are mentioned here. It will be much easier for you guys. Even if you find it difficult, seek help from your parents and or tutors, or leave a comment below the video too. I'll be helping you out. I will be solving the very first problem here on my board. Like it says, a factory made 64 750 jute bags on Monday and 51,060 more bags on Tuesday. How many bags were made altogether? Now, if we look at here on the board, I have already written the statement. The bags made on Monday, sorry for my bad handwriting, are 64 750, and the jute bags made on Tuesday are 51,060. Now for the total bags we have to add both these values, and for that 64,750 will be added to 51,060. Now 6 and 0 makes 6, 5 and 0 makes 5, 7 and 0 makes 7, 4 and 1 makes 5, 6 and 5 makes 11. Now it will be total jute bags made are 1,15,756. So make sure that your lines here, statements here are appropriate. That's the difficult part, and until next video, Allah Hafiz.